Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we solved a question on rectangular pyramids. In this video, we are going to solve a question on triangular pyramids. The question for this video is PQRV is a right pyramid with a base PQR, which is an equilateral triangle of size 18 centimeters. Each sloping edge of the pyramid is of length 13 centimeters. G is the center of symmetry of PQR. Given that PG is equal to 10.4 centimeters, calculate I, the angle between PV and the base. Correct your answer to the nearest degree. II, height of the pyramid. III, total surface area of the pyramid. And IV, volume of the pyramid. So you have been given the pyramid PQRV. Now because it has a triangular base, this is a triangular pyramid. The question told us that PQR, which is the base of the pyramid, is an equilateral triangle of size 18 centimeters. That means that PQ is 18 centimeters, QR is 18 centimeters, and PR is also 18 centimeters. It also says that each sloping edge of the pyramid is 13 centimeters, meaning that PV is 13 centimeters, RV is 13 centimeters, and QV is also 13 centimeters. It goes on further to tell us that G is the center of the pyramid. So G is the center of the triangle PQR. So the center of triangle PQR is G. And the distance from P to G, as we can see in this diagram here, is 10.4 centimeters. And we are supposed to calculate the angle between PV and the base. We should calculate the height of the pyramid, the total surface area of the pyramid, and the volume of the pyramid. We will solve the first two questions in this video. So let's begin with the first one, the angle between PV and the base. As we just saw from the question, it is said that each of the sloping surface is 13 centimeters. That means that PV is 13 centimeters. The question also told us that PQ is 10.4. Sorry, the question also told us that PG is 10.4 centimeters. So 10.4 centimeters. Now we are supposed to find the angle between PV and the base. So we have PV here and the base PQR. From the diagram here, the angle, if we let the angle between PV and the base, if we let theta represent the angle between PV and the base, we can indicate theta on the diagram as the angle that we have here. Now this is PV and PQR is the base. So it means that the angle between PV and the base is this angle here, represented by theta, as we can see from the diagram. So how do we find theta? We have PV, we have PG, and GV. If we pick these 3 points, PV, PG, it forms a right angled triangle, as we can see here. So PVG, where PV is 13 centimeters, PG is 10.4 centimeters, and we are looking for theta. From this diagram here, we can see that 10.4 centimeters is adjacent to theta and PV is the hypotenuse. So 10.4 centimeters, which is PG, is adjacent to theta. PV, that is 13 centimeters, is the hypotenuse. So we are looking for theta. We have adjacent and hypotenuse. We are going to use cos. So cos theta is equal to adjacent 10.4 centimeters divided by the hypotenuse 13 centimeters. To find theta, we are going to find cos inverse of 10.4 divided by 13. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 10.4 divided by 13. And theta will give us 37 degrees. Remember, the question said we should correct our answer to the nearest degree. So if you find this on your calculator and you correct your answer to the nearest degree, you will have theta to be 37 degrees. So the angle between PV and the base is 37 degrees. The next part of the question said we should find the height of the pyramid. From this diagram here, VG is the height of the pyramid. VG is the height of the pyramid. So if we pick the points PVG, we will have this right angle triangle here, PVG, and the angle at P here as theta. But we have just found out that theta is 37 degrees. So the angle here, which is theta, is now 37 degrees. From this diagram, as we've said, VG is the height of the pyramid. So we have this angle here, which is 37 degrees. We have PV as 13 centimeters, PG as 10.4 centimeters, and we are looking for VG. So here you have the option of either using the Pythagoras theorem to find VG, since you already have PG and PV, or you can use one of the trigonometric ratios to also find VG. You can use either one of them and you will still be correct. So here I'm going to use tan. Tan 37 degrees will give us opposite, which is VG, divided by adjacent, which is PG. Somebody can also decide to use cos. Somebody can also decide to use sine, because sine 37 degrees will give us opposite, which is VG, divided by hypotenuse, that is 13 centimeters, and you are still going to get the same answer. Here I'm going to use tan. Tan 37 degrees is equal to opposite, that is VG, divided by the adjacent, which is 10.4 centimeters. So tan 37 degrees is equal to VG divided by 10.4. To find VG, I'll multiply the left hand side by 10.4 and the right hand side by 10.4. So you have 10.4 here cancelling 10.4, meaning that VG is equal to 10.4 tan 37 degrees. If you find this on your calculator, you have VG to be 7.8 centimeters. That means that the height of the pyramid is 7.8 centimeters. The question said we should find the total surface area and volume of the pyramid. We are going to do that in the next video. So see you in the next video, and let's continue solving this question.